I'm nervous. Look what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. What is happening?
Everything you need, waves, curls, and kings. Simply Divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curls, and kings. Simply Divine is where you need to be.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Shantina. So today I am doing a clay mask on my hair, actual hair clay mask. I have been putting Jerry Curl Activator on my hair along with gel for like the last 3 weeks, and I have a lot of buildup. My hair feels dry, and so yeah, I wanted to go ahead and do this for the first time. This is my very first time doing this. I normally put this on my face. Well, I used to put this on my face. It's really good for pulling out the impurities out of your pores. And I have seen so many videos for so many years about this doing wonders for your hair strands. So I said, okay, I have like a whole container full of it. And I also have the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to mix these two together, and yeah, I am going to go ahead and put this on my hair and start detoxing and purifying my hair strands and pulling all of the debris and gunk and gels and creams and all of that stuff. I'm going to pour that out of my hair, and I'm going to do that by using this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. Okay, so I think I'm going to put 3 heaping spoons. 2, and that is a big heap. 3. Alright, and I'm going to shake this up because this does have the mother, and the mother has a lot of like nutrients and ingredients in it that just brings a lot of nutrients to your hair strands. So if you can get the one with the mother, that would be great. But if you just need to just find some apple cider vinegar, just get regular old apple cider vinegar. Alright, so I am going to pour 3 of these spoons in here, and it should fizz up. There are so many videos on YouTube talking about this bentonite clay and all the benefits that it brings. A few benefits that that I read online that it brings is
bentonite clay contains sodium, potassium, and calcium, minerals that are essential for hair growth. But that's not all that it offers. It also removes the dead skin cells from your scalp and cleanses your hair follicles, which will end up boosting your hair growth.
I'm going to stir it up really good until it becomes like a nice consistency of a moisturizing conditioner. So I think that's pretty thick, but not too thick. It's not pasty. You know what? I'm gonna put a tad bit more, just a tad bit more apple cider vinegar in there. Alright, so now that I got that all mixed up, let me get a towel, and then I'm gonna section my hair off into 4 sections, and then we're going to go ahead and put this on our hair. And let me get some directions, because the directions that's on the back of the container is for the face, but there are directions online. So hold on, let me get that. So here we go. It says the mask should be thick but still thin enough to apply throughout your hair. Make sure you cover your scalp all the way down to the ends of your hair. You can use this bentonite clay in place of your daily shampoo and conditioner. Well, I don't know about that, because I'm definitely going to deep condition after doing this. And then you want to leave, it says leave the mask on for 5 to 10 minutes. But I do know that you are supposed to not cover your hair with a plastic cap, because the point of it is to dry up, and as it's drying, it's pulling the impurities out of your hair strands, and off of your scalp. So I am not going to put a plastic cap on my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections, clip it away, grab me a towel, and then we're going to get started with putting this on my hair, and let's see what happens. Let's see what's popping. Let's see if this thing really do what it say it's supposed to do. Alright, so I am going to start on this side here. Okay. This is not a slip type of situation, okay? You're just going to apply this to dry hair. You do not want it to be wet. You're not trying, don't shampoo your hair first, because this is supposed to take the place of that. And they say you want to put it from the root all the way through. And because I cannot pretty much rake my fingers through it, I am just going to do it like that. Oh my gosh, this feels very thick. So I can't, you gotta put a rod. You're gonna have to put a rod. Make sure you get your ends, get your hair shaft all the way from the root, all the way down to the tip. Okay? And you wanna try to make sure you get everything. I may have to, oh my God, I'm gonna have to add some more. Alright, so. I'm nervous. Look what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. What is happening? Let me put some at the top. It's giving me very thick, muddy vibes. It's pretty much what it is, okay? I seen somebody braid it, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. Not gonna braid anything. This is very sticky. Oh my gosh. I hope I'm doing this right. And I don't know. Alright. I'm just, yeah. It's a learning curve. So you want to just drag it down. Don't even try, just drag and smash. Because I'm noticing when I'm smashing it, I can feel it go all the way through. So I know that I'm getting all of my hair strand. You can tell, see? Alright. You are definitely going to want to wear a shirt that you do not care about, because this is definitely messy. Definitely messy. So, the hell? Okay, let's keep moving. I'm going to have to make some more, so let me make some more really quick. Alright. Oh, this is getting hard. This is getting hard. Alright, so let me put some right at the top. You can definitely smell like a clay smell and apple cider vinegar. But don't worry, because you're going to wash this out. So the smell is not necessarily pleasant, but you are definitely going to be washing this out. So don't worry about the smell, worry about the nutrients. It's definitely difficult going over dry hair, but I can understand why they want you to put it over dry hair and not wet hair, because it's supposed to dry and pull out all the impurities in your hair. So I have it all on, and I can feel it getting tight. Like, I really feel it getting tight on my scalp. I can feel everything just kind of, my scalp is pulsating. So we're gonna say that thing's working, okay? All right, so coming up next, I am going to go ahead and wash this out after about 20 minutes and, you know, come back with my results, tell you how everything is, give you my final results, and let you know how my hair is feeling after having this bentonite clay in my hair for about 15 or 20 minutes. But first, you know what I want you to do? I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with someone that you feel would benefit from the information that I am giving you today. Alright, so let me go ahead and let this sit, and I will be right back. So I came into my bathroom because it's a little bit going on outside, like with some lawnmowers and stuff. But I wanted to come on and show you right after I rinsed out the clay mask what my hair looked like right after it, with no product or anything like that. And I like it. The curls are really in there. I'm impressed. So I just wanted to show you guys like what it looked like without any product, without me finger detangling or anything like that. So now it looked like I gotta go back and rinse just a little bit more, because this stuff is you gotta be rinsing with warm water to get it all out. So I gotta go back and make sure I rinse that out. But I am about to go and finger detangle my hair, and I will be right back. Okay, so now that is all rinsed out, and it does take a lot to rinse out, so you want to make sure you're rinsing it out thoroughly, because you're not supposed to shampoo afterwards. But I did go in and finger detangle my hair with a good conditioner that had some good slip. Now my hair feels it's not oily, but it's not dry, but it does feel a little harsh. But I know with some deep conditioner it should, you know, bring some moisture and softness back to my hair. But I will say the shine is definitely there. I don't have any curl definition because I did just go through and really like just pull on it and try to get all of the clay out of my hair. So now I am about to put some aloe vera juice on my hair to close my hair shafts back up. And while they're closing, I am going to be adding this Honey Miracle hair mask and an oil on top of it, and I'm going to deep condition my hair, and then I'm going to come back and show you what my hair looks like after an hour of deep conditioning and washing it out. Hopefully my curls are back popping. Alright, so now I am about to put a plastic cap on, hot head, you know the drill, and sit up under that for about an hour, and I'll be back and let you see what my hair looks like after it's been deep conditioned after doing that extensive clay mask treatment on my hair. So I will be right back. Okay, so now that that's all washed out, I'm gonna say, all right, I'm not disappointed. My hair really feels good. It feels soft. It feels bouncy. I can definitely see the definition of the curls in my hair. My hair doesn't feel thirsty. It's definitely moisturized and soft. I do see shine. My hair feels clean. My scalp feels clean. So I'm going to say 2 thumbs up. I like it. I'm definitely going to continue to use it. I am probably going to use this process probably every other month versus once a month, because it was a little harsh, just a little bit harsh for my hair. I guess it was like really drying, but I had the curl definition, so you know, I really didn't know what my hair was doing. Maybe because it was the first time, my hair was like, back up, what you doing, backspace, repeat. And now that it's deep conditioned and I used a very moisturizing conditioner with no proteins in it, I'm gonna say that my hair bounced back really good, really quick, and I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. I'm glad I came on camera to show you guys the process that I was going through, because it was my first time and I wanted to document it so I'll know what to do or what not to do for the next time. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I will also leave in the description box, I will leave any videos that I mentioned in this video, and I will also leave a link to where you can get both of these products at pretty much Amazon. I got my clay at Marshall's for $5.99, and I think Amazon it might be more expensive. So if you have a Marshall's in your location, go check them out. You know, Marshall's always have those one-offs. That's where I got mine from. But like I said, I will leave a link below. If you don't want to go through all of that and you want to just go ahead and order it, I'll have that for you. Alright, so if you have any questions, comments, let me know down below in the comment section. Let's have a conversation about it. And always remember to stay focused, keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. Alright, I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.
Everything you need, waves, girls, and kings. Simply Divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, girls,